Hey everyone, welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ford Edge, an SUV that's redefining style, performance, and technology for modern drivers. Whether you're looking for a spacious family ride or a tech-savvy adventure vehicle, the new Edge is here to impress. Stick around as we break down its design, performance, interior, and cutting-edge features. Exterior design, a bold new look. The 2025 Ford Edge boasts a sleek and modern exterior, featuring a more aggressive grille, sharper LED headlights, and a sculpted body that enhances aerodynamics. Ford has refined its design language, giving the Edge a sportier, more premium look. New color options, along with redesigned alloy wheels ranging from 18 to 21 inches, add to its bold personality. The rear has been refreshed with a streamlined tailgate, LED taillights, and an integrated spoiler, giving it a stylish yet rugged appeal. Engine and performance, power meets efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Edge offers multiple powertrain options. The 2.0L EcoBoost turbocharged engine delivers a solid 250 horsepower, while the 2.7L V6 twin-turbo in the Edge ST cranks up to 335 horsepower, making it the most exciting Edge yet. Paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive (AWD), the Edge provides excellent traction, whether you're tackling city streets or venturing off the beaten path. Plus, with improved fuel efficiency, expect a well-balanced ride that doesn't compromise on power. Interior and technology, luxury meets innovation. Step inside, and you'll find a high-tech, driver-focused cabin packed with premium materials and modern features. The new 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. Ford's SYNC 4A system provides real-time navigation, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. Luxury is key in the 2025 Edge, with available leather-trimmed seats, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the spacious cabin ensures comfort for all passengers, with generous legroom and cargo space. Safety and driver assist features. Ford prioritizes safety, and the 2025 Edge is packed with advanced driver assist features. The Ford Co-Pilot 360 suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. New for 2025, enhanced hands-free driving on select highways takes convenience to the next level. With a 5-star safety rating, this SUV is built to protect you and your passengers in any situation. Final thoughts, should you buy the 2025 Ford Edge? So, should you buy the 2025 Ford Edge? If you're looking for an SUV that blends style, technology, performance, and safety, then absolutely. With its upgraded features, powerful engine options, and driver-centric innovations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rider Fusion for more car reviews and updates.